The dark side of deepfake technology, a warning for humanity. Welcome to MK Innovates AI, where we explore the incredible power of artificial intelligence. But today, we step into the shadows, the dark and terrifying world of deepfake technology. What started as an innovation for entertainment has now become a weapon of deception, manipulation, and even destruction. The question is, how dangerous has deepfake become, and how can we stop it before it's too late? What is a deepfake? Deepfake technology uses artificial intelligence to manipulate videos, audio, and images, making people appear to say or do things they never did. At first glance, this seems fascinating: AI-generated actors, movie recreations, or even bringing historical figures back to life. But beneath the surface, there lies a dangerous reality. The dangers of deepfake. Imagine a world where you can no longer trust what you see or hear. That's the reality we are heading towards. Deepfakes are being used to spread misinformation, create fake news, and destroy reputations. Political manipulation. Imagine a deepfake video of a world leader declaring war. This could trigger chaos before anyone realizes it's fake. Financial fraud. Scammers are now using deepfake voices to impersonate CEOs and steal millions from companies. Identity theft and blackmail. Criminals can manipulate videos to frame innocent people for crimes they never committed. Personal reputations are being destroyed with fake, malicious content. Psychological warfare. Imagine receiving a video of a loved one begging for help, only to realize later that it was AI-generated. The mental and emotional damage could be devastating. How to stop deepfakes? Stopping deepfakes won't be easy, but there are solutions. AI detection tools. Developers are creating AI to detect deepfake content. Tech companies like Google and Microsoft are investing in software that identifies fake videos. Stronger laws and regulations. Governments need to enforce strict penalties for those who misuse deepfake technology to harm others. Awareness and education. People must learn how to spot deepfakes and verify information before believing or sharing it. Blockchain technology. Some experts believe blockchain can be used to authenticate real videos, preventing manipulation. Conclusion: deepfake technology is a double-edged sword. It has the power to revolutionize entertainment, but if left unchecked, it could become one of the most dangerous tools of the digital age. The future of truth and trust depends on how we respond today. Stay aware. Stay informed. And remember, in the age of AI, seeing is no longer believing. Stay strong. Stay healthy. Stay inspired. This is MK Innovates AI, where every day is a chance to be better. Let's make it count. Subscribe to MK Innovates AI for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence.